Hi friends, today's activity is called the short chains, and we are going to be making short chains out of the squares of numbers. And the first thing I want you to notice is that I don't have my green felt because this is going to be too small for this activity. Instead, I just used a placemat and put it on top of my table. So you could also use a flat pillowcase and flatten it out on a tabletop. So I want you to pause and go find something like that that's bigger, and remember to get your parents' permission to use it. All right, go. Okay, let's start with 1 squared. Remember, that's taking 1 time. That equals 1. Let's place it down here on the far left side. Okay, now let's make 2 squared. That's taking 2 times. Do you remember the multiplication equation for 2 squared? Yep, 2 times 2 equals 4. All right, now we're going to stretch it out, and I'm going to line it up right underneath the 2. Do you see that? How it lines up perfectly? And let's put the other one here. Okay, now let's make 3 squared. Do you remember how many times I'm going to take the 3's? 1, 2, 3. So 3 taken 3 times makes 3 squared. Oh, let me make that. There we go. And what equation is this showing? Call it out. 3 times 3 equals 9, or 3 squared. Okay, now I'm going to line up this 3 right under the 2. Do you see how that's lined up? And we'll stretch it out. Let's put the other one here. And the other one. Okay, let's do one more together. All right, how many 4's should I take to make 4 squared? Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4. There it is, 4 squared. And what's my equation that goes with this? 4 times 4 equals 16. Good. Okay, so I'm going to take one of the 4's and line it up really good. And let's stretch this out. Nice. Okay, I'm going to stop there, but I would like for you to continue. So you're going to next do the 5's, and how many 5's beads do you need to take to make 5 squared? Yep, 5 of them, okay? And you'll do the 6's, 7's, 8's, 9's, and 10's. Now, you do not have to take a picture of this, but I would love to see a picture if you have the time and to share it on Google Classroom. Okay, now another thing you can do if you would like to challenge yourself is once you've built all the short chains, you can go through and try to say the multiples. So 1, 2, 4, 3, 6, 9, 4, 8, 12, 16. Okay, so you see how I said the multiples? And of course, if you don't remember them, that's okay. You can count them like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I better start over because these are 4's. So the multiples of 4 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so that's how you can challenge yourself with that one. All right, when you're done, of course, you always clean up and, oops, silly me, I put it in the wrong box. I will see you next time, friends. Bye now.